Hi, today I'm trying to explain to you the Bernoulli's principle and how it is applied for an helicopter. So let me invite you now for a live helicopter flight so that you can notice clearly the cross section of the rotor blades that are responsible for the lift. Back to the discussion. If you observe clearly the equation, the sum of the pressure energy, the potential energy, and the kinetic energy for an incompressible, irrotational, non-viscous fluid flow along a streamline per unit volume will be a constant. In other words, as I told you, the cross section of the rotor blades, which you might have observed now, will have the shape of an aerofoil with a flat surface at the bottom. Now, as the blades move in air, according to this principle, the leading edge, which will come first in contact with the air stream, followed by the trailing edge, the air on the upper side will take a longer path, because of which there is an increase in velocity and there's a diminution in pressure at the same side. Whereas at the lower side, we have an enhanced pressure followed by a decrease in velocity, because of which there is a lift. This I will be able to explain to you in the next demonstration, that is the blower which raises a small ping pong ball.